In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the content not accessible error here in Roblox. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to apply to every single comment down there. So when you try and join a game like Murder Mystery, for example, you might see a lock icon next to that join button. And if you tap it, you may get an error saying content not accessible, update your content maturity settings. To actually fix this, go ahead and open up the Roblox app or just go to roblox.com and tap more down in the bottom right. From here, scroll down and select settings. And once you are inside settings, go ahead and select privacy and content restrictions. Now up at the very top, you're going to see an option for content maturity, and if it's set to minimal, you'll be restricted. You're going to want to change it to something like mild or moderate to unlock more games, but if you do want full access, go ahead and set it to restricted. Just keep in mind, restricted does require you to be at least 17 plus and age verified. To verify, go ahead and back out of this section and go back to your account info tab right here. And if you scroll down on this page, you're going to see an option under personal that'll allow you to set your age group. And if it doesn't show 18 plus, select verify my age. And Roblox is going to ask you to upload a photo ID to confirm. Once you are verified though, you'll be able to play any game without that error. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is how you fix the content not accessible issue here in Roblox. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.